So this is regarding the membership which is offered by the startup lanes. May I know what are the benefits of this membership?
There are a lot of benefits when you become a paid member of Startup Lane, right? It is, first of all, this is a paid system of we have to run the show, and that has a membership, but 6 months are in any case free, right? When you become a paid member, these services of showcasing you, giving you opportunities will be regularly coming to you, which is there in the free investment period also. 6 months you are getting all the services, all the benefits. Only one difference is there, right? That difference is, in case you become a paid member, you are eligible to become our regional director as well. And if you become that, then you can introduce startups to us, and then you can introduce other investors to us, and that is obviously commercially rewarding, right? So that in case any investor wants to expand the horizon and help startup lanes in helping the country, because our vision is to generate 1 million jobs for our motherland. And in case there are already so many regional directors who are supporting us, in case any of you would like to support us in this vision, and obviously it is commercially rewarding, so you can become a regional director. For that, you need to become a gold member, and that gold membership fee is there for 3 years as an angel investor. So these benefits come together to you, and you keep on learning a lot of things. Besides that, we do regularly these kind of sessions so that you can ask all your queries, and I can help you in your investment decisions also, right? So all these opportunity in Startup Lanes has the largest network. Just to inform you, the largest network as an angel network. We are there in 56 cities across 15 countries. So we are mostly sourcing Indian startups right now, but if we have interest from the investors, we can source startups from US, from Singapore, from Germany, from Australia, Hong Kong. We are operating in many different territories, right? Plus, for your convenience, we are opening up our branch offices very soon. So 125 offices are being planned, 25 in smart metro cities and 100 in smart cities. So we are coming near to all of you, and definitely this will be a value add, because that moment you can physically go to our office, have an interaction, and do lot of things. So that's under planning. We have got applications from almost 50 branch offices. We are about to finalize 4 or 5 of them very soon. So this is going to be an additional advantage for all the investors.